What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Well, we all know what's in that box, but we don't care what's in this box today. We're talking about what's on the box. Today we're going to teach you how to screen print your logo on your branded boxes, even if all you have is a tabletop press. Let's go. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take my box, I'm gonna line it up, make sure it's gonna be centered on the box. Sometimes we'll actually draw on the screen with a Sharpie to help finagle where it has to go, or put a piece of tape back here on the arm to know it's where the box has to be aligned to be printed into the correct spot. Now, I'm actually gonna be loading this sideways, and so I'm gonna be printing off from the side this way and then let my squeegee sit back there again to lift it up. That way I can easily load the box in, kind of like one arm, get it in the spot, drop it down, print, take it off. Now, we're gonna be using water-based inks today. I'm gonna be using Matsui RC Spot Black. However, if you don't have water-based like this in your shop, you can go to any art supply store and you can get Speedball acrylic ink. You can print with that and let it air dry the same way. It's gonna work wonders. We used it for years. Now, in a perfect world, you'll have a drying rack where you can kind of set them all on the drying rack. There's space underneath and they'll dry that way. We don't have a drying rack here, so we're just gonna go ahead and put them all out on the ground for about 10 minutes and let them dry. We do this as we need them. Usually we do it every other month. It takes maybe 35, 45 minutes to get them all printed. By the time they're all printed, you can start collecting the first ones you put down. They're ready to go, and we can store them for shipping later on. We, of course, do recycle the boxes they come in, so we don't just throw those away, we recycle those, and we use our branded boxes. All right, let's go ahead and print our first box. Rest that here, kick it up. There we go. So I'm gonna take this and I'm actually gonna, like I said, we're gonna lay it on the ground to dry with the other ones we've got. Give that about 10 minutes tops. It'll be good to go. There you can see we've got some other ones that have already dried today. We'll print our large boxes and a slightly smaller version for our small boxes. That way, anywhere our boxes go, so does our brand. All right, so as you can see, it's pretty simple to print boxes like this in your own shop, your basement, your room, wherever you happen to do it, even with a tabletop press like this. This goes a long way to help with brand identity as people are walking out of your shop, walking around town, it's in the mail. People are gonna see it and ask more questions about who they are and what they do. We'd love to have some tips on what you folks like to do on your boxes to help with your brand identification. So leave some notes down below for us. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you soon.